Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin vegetable. Start with a fresh, firm pumpkin. After a good wash, carefully cut it in half and remove all the seeds and stringy bits. Then, peel off the tough outer skin. Once peeled, cut the pumpkin flesh into uniform 1-inch cubes. This preparation is key for even cooking and delicious results. Roasting brings out the best in pumpkin. Toss your 1-inch cubes with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This ensures a beautiful golden brown exterior and a tender inside. For a softer texture, steaming is an excellent choice. Place your pumpkin cubes in a steamer basket over a pot of boiling water. Cover it tightly and let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a fork easily pierces the flesh. Steaming is a gentle way to cook pumpkin, perfect for purees or mashing. Now for the best part, enjoying your cooked pumpkin. Roasted pumpkin makes a fantastic savory side. Steamed pumpkin can be mashed with a little butter and a pinch of cinnamon for a comforting dish. You can also add it to soups, stews, or even curries. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or sage adds a lovely finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.